This is Gopal, Head of the Department of Humanities and Science. So today we are going to discuss logarithms. So in our first semester curriculum, we have the total 6 units. In first unit, we have the two chapters. First one is logarithms. Okay. So before going to discuss logarithm, first we have to discuss what is the definition of the logarithm. So here A and B, two positive real numbers, and A not equal to 1. This is the condition. So we are taking two real numbers A and B. They are positive real numbers, but A not equal to 1. If the real number x, now we are taking one more real number x, such that A power x equal to B, then this x is called logarithm of b to the base a. So it can be denoted by log b to the base a. So that is generally the definition. A power x equal to b. We are taking one example here. These two are real numbers. 2 and 8 both are real numbers. This is a and this is b. What is x here? This is x. So a to the power of x equal to b. T power 2 power 3 equal to 8 if and only if, so where x equal to logarithm of b to the base a. Here 3 equal to logarithm of 8 to the base 2. So this is the definition of the Laplace transform, logarithms. So here a comma b, two positive real numbers and a not equal to 1. So if the real number x such that a power x equal to b, then x is called logarithm of b to the base a. It is denoted by log b to the base a. Yeah, we are taking one more example. 5 square. So this is equal to 25 if and only if. So this is a and this is b and this is x. If and only if. So this 2 equal to means logarithm of 25 to the base 5 equal to 2. Logarithm of 25 to the base 5 equal to 2. And 4 cube. This is equal to 64 if and only if log 64 to the base 4 equal to 3. And 5 cube. This is 125 if and only if 3 equal to 5 cube logarithm of 125 to the base 5 equal to 3. So these are the examples of the logarithms. So we discuss the properties of logarithms. So now the properties are in the form of the theorems. Now theorem 1, if a is positive number and a not equal to 1, then logarithm of a to the base a equal to 1. So first we recall the definition of the Laplace transform. Definition of the logarithm. What is the definition here? Let a comma b both are positive numbers and a not equal to 1. And x be a one more real number such that a to the power of x equal to b. So means here x is called logarithm of b to the base a. Now simply here we are taking here a and a. Generally a and a, we are taking the same number. This number is positive number and this value is not equal to 1. By the definition of the Laplace transform, a to the power of x equal to b if and only if x equal to logarithm of b to the base a. By the definition of the logarithms, here a power x means here a power 1 equal to a. So any number, for example, we are taking 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2, 3 power 1 equal to 3, 4 to the power of 1 equal to 4. Now say therefore here a power 1 equal to a if and only if logarithm of a, logarithm of this a to the base a, logarithm of a to the base a equal to 1. So means what is the meaning here? logarithm of any number to the same base, this value equal to 1. We are taking one example here. Logarithm of 5 to the same base 5. What is this value? This is equal to 1. And a logarithm of 7 to the same base means 7. Now this is equal to 1. Logarithm of example 100 to the base 100, this is equal to 1. Now this is the standard, the property of the logarithms. Yeah, this is the second property. If a is positive number and a not equal to 1, then logarithm of 1 to the base a equal to 0. So what is the definition of the logarithm? So now simple thing. So here a to the power of x equal to b if and only if x equal to log b to the base a. So here again where a and 1 both are positive numbers and this a is not equal to 1, then logarithm of 1 to the base a equal to 0. So means here any number power 0 equal to 1. For example, 2 to the power of 0, this value equal to 1, 3 to the power of 0, this is equal to 1, 4 power 0, this is equal to 1. So therefore, if and only if, by the definition of the logarithm, so here logarithm of 1 to the base a, this value equal to 0. Okay, now this is the second property. We are taking one or two examples. Log 1 to the base 2. So what is this value? This is equal to 0. This is the logarithm of 1 to the base 2 equal to 0. If and only if 2 to the power of 0 equal to 1 and 3 power 0, this is equal to 1 if and only if logarithm of 1 to the base 3 equal to 0. Simple thing. Now this is 4 power 0 equal to 1 if and only if logarithm of 1 to the base 4, this value equal to 0. Now this is a standard property. So logarithm of 1 to any base, that value equal to 0. Example, logarithm of 100, logarithm of 1 to the base 100 equal to 0. Logarithm of 1 to any base, this value equal to 0. This is the second standard property. Yeah, students, now this is the third property. If a, m, n are positive numbers and a not equal to 1, so then logarithm of mn to the base a equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Now this is the property. So in order to prove this property, first we assume let log to the base m a equal to x. So now we have to say that this is x. So therefore by the definition of the logarithm, a to the power of x equal to m. And similarly, so log n to the base a, so we assume this is equal to y. So therefore definition of the logarithm, a power y equal to n. And then similarly, now this left hand side logarithm is also say that z, by the definition of the logarithm, a to the power of z equal to mn. So now we are taking this one, a power z equal to mn. Now by the back substitution, we have to substitute m value. What is m actually? M equal to a to the power of x. Yes, we have to substitute here. And n. What is n? N equal to a to the power of y. We have to substitute here. So here this is a to the power of x into a to the power of y. If the bases are equal, we should add the powers. So therefore a to the power of x plus y. And if both side bases are same, now we compare the powers. So therefore z equal to x plus y. What is z here? Z equal to logarithm of mn to the base a. Yes, we have to substitute left hand side. And coming to the right hand side, what is x? X equal to log m to the base a. Yes. And what is y? Y equal to log n to the base a. So therefore If a, m, n are positive numbers and a not equal to 1, so then logarithm of mn to the base equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. So by using this property, we have to written here example log 5 to the base 2 plus log 7 to the base 2. What is this value? So here log 2, log base 2, but what is this value? This is equal to 5 into 7 means log 35 to the base 2 and log 9 to the base 3 plus log 6 to the base 3. What is this value? Logarithm of the same base, but this is 54. Yeah, this is the use of this property. Yeah, this is one more property. If a, m, n are positive numbers and a not equal to 1, then logarithm of m by n to the base equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. So in order to prove this one, so we have to assume, so left hand side values. Now let we assume this log m to the base a equal to another number x. By the definition of the definition of the logarithm, we have to write on this is a to the power of x equal to m, and similarly we have to assume log n to the base equal to y implies a power y equal to n, and the left hand side logarithm log m by n to the base a equal to, we have to say that this is z, now implies a to the power of z equal to m by n. Now we are taking this property. Yeah, now a power z equal to m by n, and this is implies a to the power of z equal to, we have to substitute m. What is m? M equal to a to the power of x, and what is n? A to the power of y, and we have to shift this is into numerator, a power x into a to the power of minus y. This is a to the power of z equal to, and this is implies a to the power of z equal to a power, if the bases are equal we should add the powers, so therefore x minus y. So therefore z equal to x minus y. By the back substitution, log m by n to the base a equal to log x. Sorry, now we have to substitute what is x. Here x equal to, what is x? X equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Now this is the proof of the given condition. So here we see one example, log 3 by 2 to the base 5. What is this value? This is equal to log 3 to the base 5 minus log 2 to the base 5. Log 9 by 5 to the base 7. This is equal to log 9 to the base 7 minus log 5 to the base 7. Now these are the examples of this property. This is one more important property. If m, a, m, n are positive numbers and a not equal to 1, then log m power n to the base a equal to n into log m to the base a. So means the question is, now this property is like that, log 2 to the power of 5 to the base 3 equal to, we have to return this is here. Now log this equal to 5 log 2 to the base 3, and one more example, log 5 square to the base 3. So therefore this is equal to 2 times of log 5 3. So now we have to discuss the proof of this property. Now we have to assume log m to the base a equal to x by the definition of logarithms, a to the power of x equal to m, and we have to assume log m power n to the base a equal to y by the definition of logarithm. This is becomes a to the power of y equal to mn. Now we are taking this one, a to the power of y equal to m power n. But what is m? M equal to a power x. We have to written here, and this is equal to, so directly we have to written this is a power nx. Okay, so therefore a to the power of y equal to a to the power of nx. If the bases are equal, we should compare the powers. So therefore y equal to nx. So by the back substitution, what is y? Here y equal to log m power n to the base a, and n is as it is, and substitute x value. What is x? X equal to log m to the base a. Now this is the proof of the given property or theorem. And we are taking one more example, log 3 square, 3 is there. So therefore we calculating this value by using this property. So this is in the form of log m power n to the base a. Yes, log m power n to the base a. This is equal to n into log 3 to the base 3. So by the second property, what is the second property? Log a to the base same number a equal to 1. So therefore what is this value? This is equal to 1. 2 into 1. So therefore this value equal to log 3 square to the base 3 equal to 2. So this is the process of calculating logarithm values.